Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can move tomorrow, okay, and how the Bank Nifty and Nifty has moved today. If you look at this chart, the Bank Nifty has moved upside and then from there it is continuously moved up to around 800 and then from there it is continuously came down and closed at a level of 34,574. Okay, so what we can see here is that, but the trend is, we can see is it upside after making a low at this point. The trend is continuously in upside. For this we can see, if we after on a high it has come down, okay, and it is continuously downside. So suppose if it opens flat, opens around 34,500, then there is chances if it breaks upside to 34,600, then we can see that there can be a rise in the price in the bit in 34,750, or can touch a level of 34,800 because its expiry, the moment will be volatility will be very high. Okay, suppose if it opens below a level of 34,500, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 34,300, also 380. Before that it can touch a level, but it has to break a level of 34,450 around, then it can touch a level of 34,300. Okay, so it should, if it opens in this particular range, then it has to cross a level of 630 to move upside, or it has to cross a level of 34,500 to move down. Or if it opens a gap up, then there is chances it can go higher, can touch a level of 34,700 or 800. Or if it opens gap down, then there is chances it can bounce back from there, because we can see 34,500 is a big support, or 34,395 is a big support. Okay, so let's wait where the market opens and then we'll decide where the market moves. If we talk, seen that the Nifty again, it's continuously in the downside. So but after that it has made a green candle, so there is high chances that if it breaks up, suppose if it opens at this particular range itself, so and if it crosses a level of 15,710, then there is chances it can touch a level of 15,740 and then so on, can move upside. Or if it opens below a level of 15,674, okay, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 15,651, which is a strong support, or can go below a level of 15,628. These are two strong support, and from, or it can go to a touch a level of 15,598 and to a level of 15,583. Or if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 550 to a level of 547. Okay, but this level I'm expecting that if it opens below this level, then the strong support we can see at around 600, 15,600 or 550. Okay, or if it opens, suppose if it opens gap up, okay, then there is chances that it can touch a level of 575, 1570, 50, or it can go higher to a level of 1570 or 1580, 800. Okay, so, or if it opens flat, then there is a probability that if crosses the 15,700, then there is chance it can go higher. Or if it goes below this level 15,650, then there is chance it can go a lower side. Okay, but 15,500 is a strong 550 is a strong support. So what we can expect here is that let's wait for the first 15-minute candle and then we'll decide where the market goes, and then we'll trade accordingly, because this trend we can see a downside. So till the time this trend line didn't break upside, we can see there can be a no direction thing, but we are on the if we look at this trend, the downside, but it has to break this trend line in order to go upside. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.